Hi guys, good morning at kumusta po mga idol. So for today's video, tara samahan nyo ako na mag-react dito sa isang video courtesy by Team Lasinggero Mangyan Vlog. Supportan po natin mga idol dito sa isang bata na talagang ang ganda ng boses mga idol. Ma-miss talaga kayo dito. So tara panoorin natin at magbigay tayo ng reaction. Let's go. Wow, napaka-powerful. 8 years old mga idol ang ating viral video for today.
Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget that there is something left in my head. You're the one to set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now.
8 years old lang to mga idol. Grabe, ang galing, no?
You want me to forget every little thing you said, but there's something left in my head.
Napaka-sweet.
I won't forget.
Oh my
God! Wow! The way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, will last for so long. But I'm not the girl your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know. You were never satisfied, no matter how I tried. Now you wanna say goodbye to me. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there's something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, will last for so long. But I'm not the girl your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know.
Galing talaga.
Here all alone in the middle of nowhere. Whoa, don't know which way to go. Whoa, there ain't so much to say now between us.
Sana all.
There ain't so much for you. There ain't so much for me anymore.
Taas. 8 years old mga idol. Hindi ko kilala itong batang to, pero napakaganda at napakaganda ang boses. 8 years old pa lang yan.
I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, will last for so long. But I'm not the girl your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know.
Sariling version.
That's why you go away.
Wow. Sana all. Yan po mga idol, napakinggan natin ang isang batang kumanta. 8 years old pa lang yun mga idol. Hindi ko po kilala ang pangalan ng batang yun. Anong pangalan ng batang yun? But please kung kilala nyo mga idol, please pakikomento na lang po dito. Ang ganda ng boses ng bata. Grabe, namiss ko. Grabe. Napaka-amazing na batang yun. So please supportan po natin mga idol itong video ni Tim Lasinggerong Mangyan Vlogs. Grabe. So para sa akin, kung matrain pa to, talagang ang taas ng boses, ang ganda pa ng boses. Mas maganda ang boses kapag nahasa pa ito mga idol. Kaya proud tayo sa isang batang ito, 8 years old. Kayo dyan mga idol, anong masasabi nyo sa batang ito? May potential kaya na magiging singer ito someday? Na parang makikita natin sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, Pilipinas Got Talent? Please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan mga idol. So hanggang dito na ako mga idol. Maraming salamat. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Halimaw talaga ang taas ng boses. Grabe. Kalbis mga idol.